Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The RSI has moved into positive territory. Bitcoin has gained 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator moved into negative territory. The price of gold has fallen 0.8% in the last two sessions. The ultimate oscillator has transitioned sharply into the negative area. The price of crude oil has gained 0.3% in the last session. The ROC has skyrocketed into the positive area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Oil prices are edging higher again, lifted by positive risk appetite and a softer U.S. dollar. The New Zealand dollar has started the week quietly, despite a sharp drop in retail sales. Global investors and traders are rushing into digital coins, sending the crypto market capitalization to a two-year high.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Swiss ZEW expectations will be released at 600 GMT, the U.S. MBA mortgage applications at 900 GMT, the U.S. durable goods orders at 10:30 GMT, the U.S. crude oil inventories at 12:30 GMT, the U.S. 5-year note auction at 1500 GMT, and the Japanese foreign bonds buying at 2150 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.